Hi, second grade. I don't know about you, but I am so excited to wrap up this adding and subtracting our 3-digit numbers today. And we're doing it with this game that we started playing yesterday. How did it go? Did you enjoy playing it with somebody at home? Love this game. Makes us really think. Now, did you guys notice that even though we are subtracting from 1,000, that some of us were even adding those 3-digit numbers too? Yes. So when we've been learning all about adding and subtracting, we can actually put that into practice whenever we're subtracting because we can add to help us to find the unknown in a subtraction problem too. So we're going to play another round of this. Same thing applies as yesterday. You all have so many ways to share and solve these problems. I do want you to use your most efficient strategy. That means quick and accurate. That means right. But remember, that also could mean something different for everybody. I'm only going to share one strategy with each problem. And I'm only going to do that because it helps us see lots of different strategies and we can still go through as many of the rounds as possible. We each play 3 rounds. We both start with 1,000. And we're going to roll these 3 dice to make our 3-digit numbers. Now remember, to be mindful about the 3-digit numbers that you build because you're trying to get as close to 0 as possible. Let's get started. I almost forgot to do our learning target. Let's pull them back. I can add and subtract within 1,000 using place value. And yesterday, did we think about the hundreds, the tens, and the ones? Yeah. Did we think about what that was worth if we put a bigger number in that hundreds place? Yeah. Did we think about how we needed a bigger tens place to try to get as close to 1,000 or as 0 as possible? Yes. The more we take away, the closer we get to that 0. But don't forget, you can't take away a number that's too big because then you lose a turn. We don't want to do that. Oh my goodness, I rolled a 4, a 4, and a 2. And that kind of takes the mystery out of it, my friends. My 1,000, I'm trying to get to as close to 0 as possible. So I'm going to make 442 because I want the biggest hundreds and the biggest tens. And I rolled 2 4s. So show me at home how you might do that. Remember, where is your 1,000? How are you taking away that 442? Pause me. Start me back up when you're ready. Shall we show? Here's one of the strategies that I saw someone doing in my class. Will you share? You started with 1,000. So what did you do first? Took away 400. Okay, when you took away 400, what did you get? 600. Okay, and how did you know that? Because 10 take away 4 equals 6. So 1,000 or 10 hundreds take away 4 hundreds equals 6 hundreds. Right, then what did you do? 600 take away 40. Okay, and then what did you find? Okay, so you didn't have any tens, so you had to have 5 hundreds. 10 take away 4 is equals 6, so we have 6 tens left over, and then we have 0 ones. Okay, and then what did you do? Take out 560, and you take away how much? 2 ones. And what did you find? Still have 500s. Yep. You don't have 6 tens anymore, do you? Because you had to break up that one of those tens. So there's the 5 tens, and 10 take away 2 equals 8. So what is 1,000? Take away 442. 558. Here's our unknown. Where's your 1,000? Where's your 442 that you were taking away? And there's your answer. Wiggle waggle. Awesome. Shall we roll for you guys? Let's see what you got. Ooh, 2, a 1, and a 1. What you gonna do? Yeah, we definitely want to put that 2 in the hundred spot, don't we? And not a whole lot of choices for the others. All right, how are you going to show 1,000 take away 211? Remember, where's your 1,000? You might show it like this. You might use a number line. However you want to do it is fine with me, as long as it's efficient for you. Where's your 211? What are you going to do first, next, last? And how did you find your unknown? Pause me. Start me back up when you're ready. Alrighty, 1,000 take away 211. Where are you going to start on this number line, my friend? 1,000. All right, what are you going to do next? Take away 200. Okay, and when you take away 200 from 1,000, what do you land on? 800. Okay, and how do you know 800? 10 take away 2 equals 8. So 10 hundreds take away 2 hundreds equals 8 hundreds. Then what? Take away 10. And what do you land on when you take away 10? 790. What were you thinking when you did that one? 10 less than 100 is 90. So 800 minus 10 is 790. That's the right connection. Then what did you do? Take away one more, and what do you land on? 789. So where's your 1,000 in your work? Where's your 211? 200, 210, 211. And where's your difference, or your unknown? 789. How did you decompose that number 211 to make it easier to subtract? Your hundreds, your tens, your ones. Who else was really thoughtful about taking those hundreds, tens, and ones separately? Wonderful. All right, now, your next number is 789 that you're taking away from. Mine is 558. Now, we've been in this predicament before, but we never know what the dice will tell us. Let's roll these dice. 6, 5, and 1. 6, 5, and 1. So I can't take away 600s. I can't make my 600s. I could do my 500s, take away, and then I could do like 516. So I can't take a 560, can I? Because that's still less. I think I'm going to go, and I'm actually going to do 165. Because I really am a little nervous about taking away 516, because I might lose a turn, and you still might do better than me. So I'm going to try out 165. 558 minus 165 equals, show me your work. Make sure that you know where each of those numbers are. What strategy is going to work best for you? Pause me. Start me back up when you are ready to solve, or ready to share what you're solving. Okay, my friends, what are we doing? What did you do? Starting at 165. Ooh, are we going to add or subtract to find this unknown? Add. All right, so what are we going to do next? All right, we're going to add 5. Why 5? Okay, it's going to get you to 170. It's going to get you to a 10. All right, I can buy into that. Then 170 plus what? 30. Okay, and that's going to get you to 200. Okay, well, we're going to have a few steps here, aren't we? 200 plus 300 equals 500. Okay, or we're trying to get to 558, right? 500 plus 50. Oh, you're going 58. Okay, let's 58. Okay, no 50. 550. All right, then 550 plus 8 equals 558. So we're starting at 165. We're stopping at 558. So how are we going to add these together? All right, so you're going to add all of these and that 8. All right, so you have your 300 plus your 30 plus your 50 plus your 5 plus your 8. Okay? So what are we thinking here? 50 and 30 equals 80. 5 and 8 equals 13. So now we're at 300 plus 80 plus 13. Okay? Where'd you get 393? Okay, so you have your 300s. Where'd your 90 come from? Your 8 and your 9, 8 and your 1 equals 9, and then you had your 3. So that was 9 tens and 3 ones. 393. Let's see what you roll. Are you ready? Hold on, let me write my 393 down here. 393. I'm trying to get as close to 0 as possible. Can I do it, or are you going to win again? 6, 1, and 5. What you going to do? Ooh, what are you going to do? 651. Oh, dear Gussie. All right. Going big. 651. 789 minus 651 equals, I don't know. How would you solve it? You're going to pause me in a second and resume me when you're ready. Go ahead and show what you know. Think about where those hundreds, tens, and ones are. Do you need to regroup it all? What's your strategy going to be? Go ahead and solve. Pause me and resume me when you're ready. Alrighty, what you got? 700 plus 80 plus 9. Take away 600 plus 50 plus 1. Alright, what did you do first? 9 take away 1 equals 8. Remember, we're taking away out of all of these, right? 80 take away 50 equals 30. How do you know that? 8 minus 5 equals 3. So 8 tens minus 5 tens equals 3 tens. All right, and then what? 7 minus 1 equals 6. So 700 minus 600 equals 100. And what do you have left? 138. 1 100, 3 tens, and 8 ones. All right. Who's closer now? That was a big change, wasn't it? All right. 138 minus, we don't know, equals the box. Ignore my little line there. I got a little excited. Okay. I'm going to roll for both of us, and then we'll solve both of them, okay? I got a 1, a 3, and a 3. So I'm going to make 331 as mine because I want to take away 300s, right? Because I want to get into that double digit or single digit. But that's as big of a number as I can make. Let's see what you're going to roll. 1, 1, and 4. So, can you put a 4 in the ones place or the hundreds place? No. All right, so you're going to do a 1. Can you put a 4 in the tens place? No. So you're going to do a 114. All right. You guys ready for this? You're solving both of these. 393 minus 331. And then we're going to find that unknown. And then we're going to say 138 minus 114 equals blank. Are you ready for this? Remember to show your thinking, most efficient strategy. Remember, we want to find out the difference. You could add or subtract to find that difference. You may begin. Remember to pause me, resume me when you're ready to share your learning. All righty, 393 take away 331. All right, so when you set it up like this, what were you thinking about? Well, how did you know you did not have to regroup? Because each of these was smaller than the other. Okay, so this is a really good one for that, isn't it? All right, so what did you subtract first? Okay, so 300, take away 300s is, 0 hundreds. 9 tens, take away 3 tens. 9 take away 3 is 6. So 9 tens, take away 3 tens is 60. 90 take away 30 equals 60. 3 take away 1 is 2. And what did you get? 62. Okay. Tens plus your ones, no hundreds. 62. That's pretty close, isn't it? Okay. 138 or take away 114. All right. 114. What did you do first? You added. Okay. Why did you add 6? Okay, that should be 120. 120 plus what? 10. Okay, and why did you do 100? Why did you do 10? Got you to 130. All right. And then 130 plus what? And why 8? Because you're trying to get to 138. Okay, so you started with 114. You added something to get to 138. And what did you add to get there? Okay, so 6. All right, so 6 plus 10 plus 8. 6 plus 8 equals what? 6 and 6 is 12, okay. And then 2 more is 14. So you were adding 14 plus 10. And then your 10s were 20 plus 4 equals 24. Ooh, who got closer to 0? You guys did. Oh my goodness. Both days you got closer to 0. Remember when you're playing on your own that you are thinking carefully about that place value. How much are those hundreds worth, those tens worth, and those ones? Because just a little change can make a big difference. Was there anything on here that you wish you would have done differently? Oof. Anything? Yeah, I think that you guys played it pretty well. You guys got lucky with that 600, right? To take away that from that 700. And you couldn't have done anything different on that one. Couldn't have done anything different on that one. If I would have made a different choice there, it would have been farther from 0, wouldn't it? And even if I would have put a 500 here, I still would have been really pushing it, right? So I don't know that I would have done anything different. You guys just got some better rolls than I did. When you're playing with your partner, remember, somebody else can win. It's all about how you're playing the game. Remember to show your thinking. And remember, you can subtract, you can add, you can use equations, you can use number lines. Any strategy that works best for you that is efficient. Remember, that means quick and accurate. Happy playing, second grade.